Hey, this is TJ. Welcome to my channel. I want to focus my channel on hiking and biking in Ecuador. And one of the things really to start off with is if you're an expat and you're coming down here to Ecuador and you're thinking about getting a bike or an e-bike or something like that, you can buy them here. You don't have to buy them in the States and come here. I first looked into it. I wasn't impressed with what I saw, but they have improved and they've got a lot of good choices here available. If you want to come here and try to decide whether or not it's something you want to do, I mean, maybe your decision hasn't been made yet if you want to actually get a bike. What you can do here in Cuenca is you can get it's similar to a bus pass, but it's for a bicycle. And you can rent a bike, and they have different stations. Like we're here at Parque San Sebastian, they have a station here. There's another one over at Avenida Loja. And rather than read them all out to you, here's the map. How convenient. So you can rent a bike here, go to any one of these other places, park it there. And it's a good way to let you know whether it's something you want to do. If you want to get yourself into the bicycling world, if you want to see what it's like to ride around town first before you actually make your decision, I think it's a real good way to go. It's also a good way to, like if you're around town and you want to get somewhere quick, you have that option. Cuenca has a lot of options available for biking and hiking. I'm going to be busy with this. If you're into mountain biking, dude, you're going to love it here. There are so many opportunities for mountain biking in this area.